Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've recently had come in a stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi S3 Saloon 2.0 TFSI Quattro S-Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 305 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 4.6 seconds, whilst also having enough space for you and all the family. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 18-inch 10-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and tying in really nicely the S-line styling package. The boot lid can be opened by a touch of the button, revealing plenty of storage for your everyday belongings and even enough space for your weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in full black leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury, with centre armrest and rear air vents bringing up the comfort elements. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of this family saloon. Moving on to the front, we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with S badge embossed at the top and are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control, so there's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. The central touchscreen display keeps you effortlessly connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera, so even in tight supermarket car parks you never have to worry, and the Park Assist lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is listen to the prompts on screen, change gear, brake and accelerate as prompted. Thanks to the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can set a different temperature, or you can synchronise them if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.